Hi guys, so welcome back again to my channel. Happy Sunday. This is a requested video. You guys want me to show you what I be cooking on Sundays for breakfast and dinner. I'm going to show you a couple of Sunday morning and dinner time routine that I do in my kitchen. So if you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and do so right here. Make sure you hit the notification bell right there. Follow me right here on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and it's always something good going on in my kitchen. So I'm going to get started on these recipes, and all the recipes that I have up will be down below in the description. So go ahead, click on those links, and it's going to take you right into those videos. Also down below, I have some holiday recipes idea that you guys could use for Christmas dinners and stuff like that. Whatever kind of holiday you have going on, or just you want something nice, you go ahead, click on those links. Those links are down below as well. All right, so let's get started. Sunday breakfast and dinner routine in my Jamaican kitchen.
Jamaican, here comes a rude boy Jamaican.
Sunday morning breakfast is going to be fried dumpling. I'm having this at the flour, the salt, a little bit of baking powder, and some butter, right? All-purpose flour. And that's my okra right there, frozen okra I have. And my saltfish, my Jamaican saltfish, I already boil it, as you can see. And make sure you get the salt out as much as you can. I'm going to have fried plantain with it, and have some pear with it as well. May I get all this together? Let's go. Now I have my flour there, so, and the butter and the baking powder and some salt. I'm just gonna spray that up. Now guys, when I cut these videos short, the link will be down below to show you how to make the best fried dumpling in your kitchen ever. I have regular fried dumpling, authentic fried dumpling, I have coconut fried dumpling. I'm going to put the links below for that. Now, when I'm making my fried dumpling in my kitchen, I always use milk, okay? If you don't want to use milk, don't use it. Go ahead and use water. But when I want to make my dumpling have that special little taste to it, I have people coming back for a second and a third dumpling, is milk I use. Alright guys, now that you have your oil ready on the stove, you want to make sure that the fire is on medium heat. There's two ways that I make dumpling. I make them like that, and I make them like that in a circle. So there's two ways that you could do it. Make sure your fire is down low. And I'm going to put all the links down below for all these recipes. So alright guys, it's time for me to cook up my saltfish and my okra. I have oil in that pot. I'm going to put my seasoning in there, some garlic, a little bit of vinegar, I'm going to add my saltfish. You guys want to make sure they put the bowl out. Put the okra in. Now we want that thing to have flavor, so I'm going to use some of my Combo seasoning there. If you don't have Combo season, use a little bit of all-purpose season, just a little bit, and some black pepper. And you want to let this cook down. Saltfish and okra, okra and saltfish, whatever you want to call it. So breakfast is ready. Sunday morning breakfast is ready. Saltfish and okra, fried dumpling, couple slices of pear, fried plantain, and yes, that is my husband's breakfast. Let's get right into dinner. Alright guys, now I'm gonna have rice and peas today. The peas that I'm using is the cow peas. Oh my god, cow peas make one of the best rice and peas, and I'm going to walk you through this one. This is authentic. Alright? Everybody make them rice and peas different. But when you start adding different things, it take away that authentic rice and peas. So I'm going to go through this one. Now to make your rice and peas authentic, you have to have your fresh coconut. Right? I'm going to grate this coconut up right here. I'll use my grater for this. And a little bit of garlic. Just a little bit of garlic, right? Now you're going to need your pepper. You're going to need your scallion and thyme, your pimento seed, and some salt to flavor. That's it. That's all you put in your rice and peas. Your authentic rice and peas. You not put seasoned salt in it. You not put none of them other things. This is all you need to make your rice and peas authentic. Jamaican authentic rice and peas. It doesn't matter what peas you use, guys, as long as you go the old-fashioned way. That is called authentic. So now that my peas cook nice and tender, I'm gonna go ahead and put some pimento seed in it. Then I'm gonna add some garlic and then some salt to flavor. Then I'm gonna add scallion and thyme, and my hot pepper goes in. Alright, so those are the things you put in right there, and my coconut milk goes in. And then I'll cover this up back and then come back, wash my rice, and this will go ready. Alright, time to add the rice in now. Looks good. Make sure you turn down the fire. If you turn down the fire, guys, make sure say you don't burn up your rice and peas. You get your fire, cover it up, and then you place that nice and tight, low heat. So rice and peas finish. Look at that. See that, guys? Nice and shelly. Look at that. This is your authentic Jamaican rice and peas. Whether you want to use red peas, any peas, as long as you do it the old-fashioned way. Anything old-fashioned, that's what's called authentic. Okay, guys, so like I said before, this is what we're having for dinner today, jerk chicken. And since it's so nice outside, I'm going to put this on a grill. Now, the recipe that I'm going to show you before all of this, they are done in the oven because it was cold. It kind of cool outside, but it's nice enough to go on the grill. Now, everything that I'm going to be using mostly is in powdered form. Besides the scallion and the thyme and the hot pepper and the pimento seed. So this is how I do it when it's going on the grill. You want to make sure first your chicken wash nice and clean. You want to take out that inside right there of the chicken, and you want to leave your chicken skin on, because that chicken skin is going to chop in all the flavor. The take off your chicken skin, get your chicken go dry, especially if you're putting it on the grill. So you put your scallion in, dry thyme. Now if you have fresh thyme, use that too. I have 2 hot pepper. I'm going to use those. I'm going to just go ahead and cut them up inside of it. Pimento seed, garlic powder, onion powder. Now I'm going to use my combo season, but if you have all-purpose season, Jamaican all-purpose season, use that. Since I'm putting it on the grill, I have to have ginger in it, so I'm going to use powdered ginger instead. Some salt, and I'm going to use my jerk season, and I'm going to put a link below to show you how to make jerk season from scratch. So now with clean hands, you go ahead and you rub that season in. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some vinegar. Okay, you know how I feel about my vinegar. And I'm also going to add some browning just to give it some color. And work that in. Alright, so I'm going to make this sit. It's going to sit for a little while. My husband is going to put this on the grill. Now, Make sure, guys, you see all that good gravy that you have in the bottom of that thing? You want to go ahead and those cuts that you made in the chicken, you want to go ahead and stuff that chicken really, really good with all the flavor from all that spice that you put in it. Just stuff it in there so your chicken have even more flavor. Just like that. So stuff them in there. So that's why it's very important for you to have clean hands. Okay. There you have it. So that's going to be sitting for like an hour, and then that's going to go on the grill. Alright guys, see, it's on the grill. Fast, quick and easy steamed vegetables is done. The link will be down below for that. There you have it, guys. Jerk chicken is all done on the grill. Rice and peas, steamed cabbage, and plantains. And all you got to do is put some of that gravy on that chicken. Jamaican authentic Sunday dinner in my kitchen. One of many. Kitchen, and as always, from my kitchen to yours. Enjoy! I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, a time we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.